The Bombardier Beetle has taken defense technology to a whole new level. He's on the hunt for woodlice and other small invertebrates to keep up with his high energy demands. His hardy exoskeleton protects him from knocks and bumps. But he'll need more than that to protect him from predators like this. Yet he's strangely ignored. Could it be that they know about his secret weapon? This toad doesn't. And it's in for a very nasty surprise.